What if all of Africa was connected by one railway? This is possible, but what if it covered all of Africa? This is Rovos Railway. It is one of the world's most luxury train. It operates from South Africa in Pretoria and to different destinations in Africa. Have you ever wondered how life could be if we had a railway line connecting all countries within Africa continent? Making living in Kenya and working in Ethiopia or Uganda. Economic standpoint, shipping raw materials within our continent and finished good all within the countries. For example, we have the coffee, tea, we have the cowhides, we have the yams, we have the cocoa. For example, we grow tea in Kenya and Tanzania, and it's shipped to Ghana and distributed by Ghana to all countries in the west of Africa and northern Africa smoothly. What if we had visa free for all the 54 countries? Imagine an Africa where moving across our continent feels seamless, where our boundaries strengthen us instead of separating us. For those who want to see this kind of film, we have been doing this over 20 years, Keno Safaris. So join us. We take you on journeys in Africa where you see yourself in a different way, you experience other people's culture, your mind change, your concept about things change. You live as a new person when you have been to these safaris in Africa. So join us in this journey, share our stories, like, subscribe, tell your friends about these journeys, and we move together. All of us are connected in this world.